Welcome to video 8 on mods for the TRX4M by Traxxas. In this episode we will mount a metal steering link, which we can see the end result of over here. These are the parts ordered again at AliExpress, packaged like this, and when we open that up we have three metal bushes, 3 screws, and then the metal beam or link. What has to be done is these little bushes, they have to be pushed here in these holes, and again this black powder coating prevented that. That was too tight a fit, so the first thing I did is pick my Dremel and Dremel away the powder coating there from the inside of those 3 holes to make it possible to have these bushes inside there and have enough play, and they can now wobble freely. This is the plastic beam that we are going to replace. It is held by just 3 screws, so all we need to do is to take out these 3 screws, left and right, and one in the middle that is connected to the servo motor. And yeah, once that is done we can start to mount the metal link. And there was problem number 2, because of my metal wheels, the tires are a little bit more on the inside, and the metal link, steering link, was touching my tires. So what I had to do also over here is Dremel away a little bit of the, let's say the thickness around the hole. So that may look ugly, but actually I do like it, because it makes it also look a little bit older and a bit worn out. So that's fine with me. And dremeling away, say 2-3 tenths of a millimeter, made that the wheels could rotate around it freely. So this is a screw number 1 tightened, and then this is screw number 2 at the other side lined up and then tightened, and then 1 more screw to go here in the middle for the servo motor. So we tighten that screw over there, and then the beam is snugly fit in place. So this is the end result seen from the bottom, and this is the end result seen from above, and this is the end result seen from the front. And well, again we have added a bit of weight on the front axle. It's just a couple of grams, but any additional weight helps to get more grip of the tires with the surface, so that's good. Well, this was it, and in the next video we are going to mount metal links, axle links. So maybe see you back there. In the meantime, have fun.